Oh, wow. You weren't kidding, were you? Well, if you watched the last video, you know what this is all about. That's a shame. So is this an actual hole right here in the fuel tank? Is that like an actual, can fuel come out of that?
Out of what?
Is that an actual?
No, it's a dent, not a hole.
And that's from the blinker coming into it?
What?
And that's from the blinker coming, being...
It's from it rolling upside down. It flipped completely upside down off that table there.
Wow. Yeah. And you had it secured and everything in this, is there any...
It's secured just like it is right now.
Was there any damage to the table?
You go push and rock on that all you want. It ain't coming off there. So I have no idea how to knock it all over.
All right, so...
Like somebody was out here playing out there or something.
So I am, Steven has it secure inside this, is that called a motorcycle table?
Yeah.
So somehow, but there's no damage to the table, you said. So if you watch the last video, you see that this fell completely upside down. That's just a shame. Well, how did the table not get any damage?
The table didn't flip over. The bike flipped over.
Oh. Discouraging.
It's got old gas in it. It hasn't been started in a while. That's since last Easter.
Oh, really? It hasn't been on since last Easter?
See that blue smoke? That's a bag of gas.
Oh. Well, we are praising the Lord that there was no damage to the other bikes. We are greatly praising the Lord that, especially on this beautiful purple paint, there was no damage to the other bikes. Praise the Lord about that. Oh, what are these burn marks on the muffler? You never know how much wind, how powerful wind can be. I didn't realize it had been since last Easter.
Yeah, I had it out last Easter.
When we were doing all that cleanup from the storm.
Gas is because that blue smoke's because the gas is old.
Steven was just telling me that this is going to be the spring to get batteries. Well, I guess you'll have to move those tarps then to get it out.
What's that?
How are you going to
First
get...
I got to let it warm up or it ain't going to run unless it warms up.
So talk to me about the batteries that we have to buy.
Well, the battery and that's bad. bike is bad. Battery in that purple bike shouldn't be bad because it's not all but a year old, but I got it from Amazon and, well, it's bad. The battery in that bike, I just put that in there at the end of summer, so that's good. Battery in the Cadillac is good because I just put that in a couple of months ago. The batteries in the semi are just a few months old. So, and then the batteries in the forklift are bad. And then battery in the RV, it's the same battery it was when we bought it, so it's probably going to need to be changed. And then the batteries that are in the 350, which is valued at $17,000, which is low blue book value. It's got the original batteries in it when I bought it, and I think the pickup has a new battery in it. So basically, we're going to be buying about 5-6 batteries this spring.
Yep.
When you have a lot of stuff, you got to have batteries.
I guess so.
And a good jumper. My jumpers have been melted. It's the alligator clips are melted, so.
Oh, talking about melting. What's going on here? Why do you have burn stains on your muffler?
That's from putting your leg down.
Is that when you burnt your clothes?
Yeah,
Oh! Put your pants back up. You did tell me that you burned a
Yeah,
hole.
if it burns any further to get my leg.
Oh! That's easily cleaned up though, right?
Nah, you ain't getting that off there.
That's not coming off?
Nah, you'll take the chrome off before you get that off there.
Oh, no! So,
Need to make me a leather thing and put it. Whoa. Need to make a leather thing and where I can put it on, and that way when I'm riding it, right up against my leg, I'll let rest.
the heat from the muffler caught your pants on fire. So an SOS pad won't take that off?
Yeah, take the chrome off.
Oh. Well, that's a shame too. So, did you just start smelling your leg on fire? Let me see your leg again. Oh, but praise the Lord it didn't burn you.
Yeah, well, it's pretty close. I can take some of that deer skin over there and make me a leather thing, put it on my leg. You know, put some strings on it and tie it on. Might be ready to get out of there now.
Well, I'm glad you didn't burn your leg, Stephen. I'm sorry that happened to the motorcycle. Now, how are you going to move that without moving the tarps?
How am I going to move it?
Well, when you're a man, you can move things.
That's how I'm going to move it. I'm going to move it with my manhood.
Oh, you're just picking it up. I didn't anticipate that.
I wasn't anticipating.
Yeah, that's a shame. Ah! Oh, it's gonna be a day.